Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Brian. In today's video we're going to revisit our Stanley 903 wooden tool chest restoration, and something that I think would be of interest to anyone who needs to restore or brass plate old hardware. Whenever we restored the Stanley 903 wooden tool chest, we weren't able to get the handle quite like we wanted. And I'm actually unsure from looking at the handle, it has a lot of corrosion on it, whether or not it should be replaced or whether it can be cleaned up. And we were able to clean it up, but all the brass was gone. So I'm still unsatisfied with the way the handle looks, and I discovered something recently, so I want to take the handle off and mount it onto a board. What I need to do will damage whatever's underneath it. So now I move the handle over to the sacrificial board, and I'm gunning it down with the drill because there's no history in these screws and I don't care about them. This process was really fun because I got to use the blowtorch. Now, you should read all the safety precautions about the blowtorch before you use it. Essentially what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to heat the handle, mount it to the sacrificial board, and then transfer brass from the wire wheel onto the handle. One thing you need to know is that you need a wire wheel that's entirely brass, and not one that's stainless steel coated in brass. I'm not entirely sure whether the brass is melting or how it gets transferred, but it just seems to work. I had to let the handle cool down because I didn't want to brand myself. I used a screwdriver to reinstall the 100-year-old hardware, and this is hardware I care about. Our handle is now fully installed, and it looks pretty darn good. I'm happy for many reasons. First of all, I didn't brand myself. We got to keep the 100-year-old handle, and I didn't have to replace it. This allows me to keep this tool chest as original as possible. Thank you for watching today. I hope today's video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you would like to take a look at the full length video on the restoration of the Stanley 903, we'll put a link in the show description below.